All right, boys, we got a webinar coming up in 30 minutes. So I'm going to quickly run you guys through exactly kind of what this looks like, how many people we have registered, how much cash. Hopefully we'll collect some cash, add some recurring revenue. Two of my favorite things to do. But I'm going to show you guys how much we spent on this webinar. I'll show you a little behind the scenes while it's going on, and then we'll see how much we make and how much cash we collect. So let me just jump into my Facebook account here. So let me just show you guys in the past 7 days how much we spent for this one here. So the 23rd to the 29th. Okay, we'll add this up. Facebook doesn't track everything 100% accurate, but let me just add up the amount spent is right. So let's round up. Let's call it 1,400 plus 686. Okay, so right under 2,100. We're spending $300 a day right now. And if this works, we're kind of out of our beta test phase. Okay, so we bumped our price up to our normal price here. And the last couple webinars have worked pretty well. So if this one works, we're probably going to bump our ad spend to $600 a day to start to scale this thing up a little quicker. But all right, so we spent like 2,000. Put in the calendars first. So we have 130 people registered for this webinar. We have some people that registered for next week. So let's look at January 23rd to the 29th. I think we're averaging around like a $15, $16 lead cost. Okay, so 131 people. So we've got, what was it, 2086? Close enough if it wasn't it. 131. Okay, yeah, 1592. So call it a $16 appointment. So what we're expecting, hopefully, we're going to be able to go in, and I'll show you guys like at the end of this how much we actually we collect. So our price here that we have now is $199 a month. Okay, so we're going to be collecting on the webinar, and then it's a monthly subscription. After that, I'll explain kind of what we are offering a little bit too, kind of the whole package that we have now. But what we're expecting is about a 50% show rate. So we'll probably have around 65 people actually on the call, and we're hoping to close 20%. We just need to collect. Well, ideally, we make money on the front end, but what we need to do is just recoup our ad spend so we break even on the front end. Then month 2 with all those rebills, and from then on, that becomes all profit. So we need to collect at least 10 people to sign up on the webinar. We'll probably get a couple follow-ups throughout the week. So 10 is the number that we're looking for, and we'll see what happens. I'll pick you guys up. Well, I'll pick you up in probably, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. We'll see. Hey, like the video for me and subscribe if you guys like this live content, kind of showing behind the scenes of how we're building this out. Would appreciate it. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. All right, we got the webinar rocking and rolling here. We have, let's see, 60 people in. So the show rate, decent, not great. So we will I'll pick you guys up in a bit. We'll see how this one turns out here. All right, we are back. Solid webinar. So it's a few days later. It is the 4th. You guys can see that. So the next Tuesday, and yeah, I'll run you guys kind of through the numbers, and I'll also explain kind of more of like what we're offering. Turn that a little bit. How we're kind of packaging this service. So let me just record this. Let me get this on my phone. Okay. So last week we collected, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so 1,800 and added in recurring revenue, which is definitely solid. We'll take it. We didn't 100% break even on the webinar because we did spend 2,100, for that week. But with this type of model, you can go into the red a little bit month 1. Well, really every week because you're month 2 hits and that's all going to be profit. In the last clip, I think I mentioned we were looking to hit 20% on the webinar. That was like our goal, or 20% for the week, right? Because it's typically like there's still a sales cycle, even though it is only $199 a month here. The way that we break the numbers down is like week by week. So we can collect 2 more follow-ups. I think we have like 3 or 4 people who 3 of them actually tried to process on the webinar. This is an issue we ran into. And it's crazy how this is like a thing. Like payment processing is one of those things where before I got into like any online business, I didn't even think about payment processing. I didn't know what like the processors were. I didn't know that there's like issues basically every single day that come up with them, getting kicked off of them, payments declining, whatever, all this. So on the webinar, we actually had 20% go to process, but I think we had like 4 people, 3 or 4, that it was like declined. One guy tried to do it 5 times. Like a lot of times it's just like something with their bank like flags it, the credit card company, and they usually will like send an email with like a confirmation code. But a lot of the times people are like on their phone, they just don't see it. So if they can close here within the next 2 days, because we have another webinar coming up on Thursday, that would be money. But if not, is what it is. Seeing all them try to process, then having some just not go through when they're trying like multiple times. It's like, I want to give you access to the software here, but I like physically can't accept a payment, right? So, part of business, it happens. But yeah, pretty good webinar. For those of you guys who haven't seen my last couple videos where I kind of broken down this model here. So this is a high-level SaaS. So instead of going out and pitching business owners like a traditional agency and just being like, hey, we're the marketing experts, we're going to come step in and take full control of your marketing. You're going to pay us $2, $3, $4, whatever, $1,000 a month, and we're going to do everything. Like we're going to take care of it. What we're doing, we're coming in on the other side saying, hey, you don't need to hire a high-ticket agency. You can do everything here yourself. We're going to give you a full custom pre-built out software with everything that the agencies have, right? We're going to train you and show you how to use the system. And we're going to offer weekly coaching calls to help you along the way whenever, questions come up. So it's like a done together program where they have access to essentially a marketing agency, but they are going in and they're doing it all themselves. So we're able to charge less and then have that kind of higher stick rate. I guess I should also say, like, if you're someone who if you see all these people on the internet with like software companies or software in their bio on Instagram, and you're like, how the hell do all these young people know how to make a software, right? 95% of the time, if they're in like the agency space, like here, if you see a platform, let me just pull up the dashboard. If you see something that looks like this, but it's like a different color and it has different logos, what they're doing is just white labeling HighLevel. So what HighLevel allows you to do, they built out this software is money. It basically allows business owners to do everything. Like it's an all-in-one CRM. You can add a bunch of stuff into it to kind of make it custom. But on the actual software side, like I didn't develop a new software and like I don't know anything about coding. But what HighLevel lets you do is you can go out, you can white label their software and then resell it as your own. But now in order to go out and resell this new software that is now yours, right? It's just your white labeled version of HighLevel. You're going to have some additional incentives in place and kind of have like a package that you can sell. Because if you just go and resell the software, like you could literally just price it the same and try to resell it. But if you're going to do it like at scale, you're going to need some offer around it. So what we're specifically doing and selling here is an all-in-one software to allow business owners to go out and generate their own leads at wholesale cost. All right. So that's kind of our offer, is to say, hey, we're going to give you guys all the tools that these high ticket marketing agencies have so that you can save $2,000 a month, have access to everything they do. Then on top of that, we have a full-blown, we have a private school community, so a full academy in there to show you how to create your own ads, how to run your own ads. So basically teaching them how to use the system and how to advertise so they can take everything in-house and never have to look for like an outside lead provider. And then within the software, we have it kind of custom to their niche. So all the landing pages, all the websites, all the automations, the funnels, everything that's actually in the software is already pre-built out. It's custom and specific to their niche. So now it's like, okay, we're giving you guys the software for a couple $100 a month. From there, the rest of their marketing budget, that's what they can put into their own advertisements. So that's kind of like our big pitch there is like, hey, you can generate your own leads at wholesale cost. Plus, you're able to get access to our advertising academy. We offer onboarding calls for everybody. We offer group coaching calls every single week. So it's basically a done together program where they have access to everything. They have all the tools to do it themselves. And then they have kind of our team on the back end. That video, so I didn't show the actual webinar. I'll have some more videos probably talking about like the sales process and everything behind that. But yeah, we'll take it. 1,800 collected, 2,100 spent. Hopefully, like I said, we got 2 more days. Hopefully pull in 2 more here. Maybe even if we just pull in 1 more, that'd be money. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully you guys like these style videos. You can also join our free community. We have a free SaaS community on School, so I'll leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to join that and kind of see more behind the scenes style stuff. But with that, like the video for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.